Hi, I'm Will Roberts. I'm running for Volusia County Tax Collector. On this week's Tax Tip Tuesday, I have two topics to talk about. First, I want to explain why the property tax due date was not extended beyond April 15th. Second, I will share some news regarding driver's licenses and COVID-19. I know April 15th was last week, and we did see a surge of people paying their property tax to get it in by the extended due date. There are still about 18,000 properties that owe tax. In the days just before April 15th, I received some questions from citizens, taxpayers, and voters about the April 15th property tax due date. They wanted to know if the date could be extended even further so that when the stimulus checks from the federal government started rolling in, people could use that money to pay their property tax. The question seemed logical. After all, the IRS pushed the income tax deadline from April 15th to July 15th. Why can't the property tax due date be extended further as well? So I reached out to the Florida Department of Revenue to find out if they were going to extend the due date any further. The staff was very quick to respond and let me know that they were not going to extend the April 15th due date. The goal of the 2-week extension was to give taxpayers a little more time to pay since so many people have been focused on the pandemic. I think that was a good decision, but why not go further until the federal stimulus checks arrived? The department's response made sense. They explained counties, cities, and school districts and other taxing authorities throughout the state need those property taxes to fund their budgets for the fiscal year. One of the most expensive things in those budgets is personnel. So the property taxes are paying our teachers, police officers, corrections officers, firefighters, and so many other essential workers who work for local government and school districts. We need these people on the job right now. So extending the due date for property taxes any further was not an option. Now, about driver's licenses. One of the future responsibilities of the Volusia County Tax Collector will be driver's licenses. Right now in Volusia County, driver's licenses are the responsibility of the state of Florida. If your driver's license is recently expired, you don't have to rush to get a new one. Because of COVID-19, there is an extension on renewing your driver's licenses. If your license expired between March 16th and April 15th, the license will be valid for an additional 60 days. If your license expired between April 16th and April 30th, the license will be valid for an additional 30 days. There is a one-time option to renew your driver's license online, but with the extensions I mentioned, you won't have to use that option at this point. If you want more information about driver's license options and COVID-19, please visit flhsmv.gov. Our family is healthy. I hope yours is well. Thank you to all essential workers for making it easier for us to stay home and stay safe. I'm Will Roberts. I'm running for Volusia County Tax Collector, and I'm serving to make a difference.